Hello guys, in this video we are going to study about exponents. What is it, why do we need it, and how does it work? Before moving to exponents, let's look at multiplication. So the basic operations are addition and subtraction. Then you might ask, why do we need multiplication? So let's look at that. So addition, let's say we want to add the same number multiple times. Let's say we want to add 5 4 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we can write it like this and the answer will be 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Now let's say we want to add 500 times. So to write that, we'll have to write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 all the way to 100 times. So this becomes very difficult to write. So we made a short form called multiplication. If you want to do repeated addition, we just use multiplication. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So in multiplication we can just write 5 multiplied by 100 and we can get the answer 500. Now let's say we want to multiply the number 6 5 times. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, we'll get the answer. Till here it was okay, but let's say we want to multiply this 100 times. So we will get 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 all the way up to 100 times. So writing that becomes very lengthy. So to solve that problem, we introduced exponents. Instead of 6 repeated multiplication, we can just write exponents. So exponents came. So here, if a number is getting multiplied by itself multiple times, we can simply write it as exponents. So we will write it as 6 raised to 100. And this is the base and this is the index or power. So 6 raised to 100 will be 6 multiplied by itself 100 times. So now we can answer this question, what is exponents? It's just repeated multiplication. Why do we need exponents? So it's easy to write repeated multiplication. And we have also looked at how does it work. So let's say if we have any number 2 raised to 3. So we can write 2 is our base and 3 is our power. So the base is getting multiplied by itself repeatedly and power tells us how many times it's getting multiplied. So we'll get 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now 2 raised to 1 will be just 2 because it's one time. 2 raised to 0 will be 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.